I am not here to chase abundance. I am here to become the version of me that naturally receives it. And I can feel the difference. Because the version of me that chases is tight, rushed, slightly panicked underneath it all. Always trying to make something happen. But the version of me that receives is grounded, available, open in a way that feels safe, not exposed. And today, I choose that version. I trust that what is meant for me does not require me to override myself to receive it. I don't have to push harder. I don't have to prove more. I don't have to become someone else to be worthy of overflow. My energy as it is enough. And when I'm in alignment with myself, life draws into me. Money, opportunities, relationships, recognition. They are not things I need to hunt down. They are responses to who I am being. So instead of asking, what do I need to do to get more? I gently shift into, who am I when I already feel safe receiving more? I let my body soften into that question, because abundance is not just external. It is a state my nervous system learns to hold. And right now, I allow myself to hold more. More support, more visibility, more ease, more money, more expansion. I release the idea that receiving has to feel overwhelming. I release the pattern of opening to something beautiful and then unconsciously pulling away. It is safe for me to stay. It is safe for me to have. It is safe for me to be seen in my expansion. I trust my timing. I trust my energy. I trust that the right things find me when I am in a right relationship with myself. Not when I am forcing. Not when I am overgiving. Not when I am abandoning my truth, but when I am honest. When I am present, when I am deeply connected to what feels correct for me. Abundance meets me there, not in performance, but in authenticity. I allow myself to receive in ways that feel good in my body. Not rushed, not chaotic, not draining, but clear, supportive, and expansive. I am available for aligned opportunities. I am available for unexpected support. I am available for money that feels stabilizing. I am available for people who see me clearly, who recognize my value without me having to convince them. I don't have to shrink to be loved. I don't have to hustle to be chosen. I don't have to prove to be paid. The right people feel me. The right opportunities meet me. The right level of abundance builds around me, and I stay rooted in who I am. I trust that my energy communicates for me in ways I don't even have to control. And I let that be enough. I am no longer available for timelines that rush me or expectations that ask me to disconnect me from myself. I choose a path that honors my energy and still leads to overflow. And I allow it to be simple. I allow it to be natural. I allow it to build steadily, safely, and fully. I am already in the process of becoming someone who holds abundance well. Someone who doesn't sabotage it. Someone who doesn't run from it. Someone who doesn't question it the moment it arrives. I stay, I receive, I expand, and I trust that my heart and soul desires are enough.